Number 26, Lazaro Montu, wala pa rin yan. Rebound yan, for number 77. Ricky pass, number 24. Alejandro, Tupangan. Si Jong Pangan na ang basa 3, in-and-out. Rebound para number 3, Mr. Palayon. Bawa na shot clock. Side stepping, moving, wala. Palayon, put back, wala pa rin yan. Buena PLDRS. Longboy. Longboy, stop, Pepar, malakas. Agawan sa rebound. Number 91, securing the ball. Si number 0. Binigay pass to Palayon. 15 on the shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Number 3, Palayon. Sa 3, wala. Number 39, Jong Pangan na naman. 3 versus 1 situation. Alejandro, easy basket. 13-0. Pangan. Kick out, number 27. Shot malakas. Number 21, Mr. Velasquez. Binigay pass. Bobia. 10-second shot clock. Long 2. Lazaro in and out. Number 10. Bola, bola. Out. Okay. Bounce pass. Give 40 points by Mr. Pangan. 15-0 lang. Five minutes, 48 seconds, change 5, be ready. 12-second shot clock, number 0. Binigay pass, Palayon, fake, drive, almost losing the ball. Long 2, wala pa rin. Number 0, wala pa rin yan, inaalat. Kuya na din ang VRL sa Leandro. Good for you. 7-0. Nakabutas din. Tuloy-tuloy na kaya. Katulad ako. Okay, ready, change 5 ha? Number 3, Palayon. Bang! Nag-iwan palang press, Mr. Palayon. 5-17 tayo, 12-point lead. Number 34, Feliciano. Binigay pass. Shot ang pataas. Number 22, Calabano. Big pass. Number 5. To the center. Babalik ang bola. Flores at Tres. Almost. Big rebound para sa team ng PGS. 10-second shot clock. Simo pa rin. 8 seconds shot clock, 8 seconds to shoot. Five seconds, 3 seconds, 24 seconds shot clock violation. Argel Galigoy. Long three. Wala. Ayan, number 22 to number 20. May bangong tayo. Number 12. First personal foul, first team foul. So number 5, wala. Agad sa lima, ang kuya ng team ng BLDRS. Number 24 now, Feliciano. Number 12, Gilbert Dio. 15-9. Isang Galagano. Almost intercept. Number 15 to Flores. 10 second shot clock. It's 3 seconds violation. Shot clock. Intercepted. Carter Steele, halfway number 7. Gilbert Dio. 7-21. Number 5, Flores. Flores now, waiting for his teammate. Flores. So number 7, Brioso. 15 on the shot clock. Brioso. To the wing side, Flores. Walang tinamaan. Put back. Yan, number 15. Wala pa rin doon. Number 27. Number 12. Number 24 is not the plan. Good for 2 points. It's gone natin. 23-7. Isang Galapano to number 7, long three, almost number 5, masusundutan, kuya ng team ng BLDRS, 1v1 situation, good for 2. Good for 2 points, last 57 seconds. Last 48 seconds. Late pass. Masyadong malakas. Last 40 seconds. Number 34, Feliciano. Second shot clock. 1 second difference. There's a whistle. Foul committed number 19. First personal foul on you, Mr. Nick Dell. Second team foul. 13 seconds tayo. Wala na tayo shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. May foul tayo. Foul committed to number 51. First personal foul on you, first team foul, Feliciano. First try is good. Second try, pasok pa rin. 9 seconds, wait for the buzzer. Okay, third five tayo. Velasquez, kick out pass, long three, wala. Kuya ng team ng BRS, number 17, binigay pass. To the point guard, lead pass, to Paman. Almost intercept. Number 11, to the big man. Babalik ang bola kay Mr. Lanzang, to Mr. Joe Paman, pick, drive, cross gas, wide open, three, wala. Kuya ng team now. Bags. Number 7 now. Number 7, Ipinila, good for 2 points. 13-29. Number 39, Joe Pamanel. Paman Grimes, there's a weasel. Foul number 91. First personal foul, yung first team foul. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 11, speed, move, and fire. Good for you. Nanagalaw. Fires the three. Bang! Good set, wala pa rin. Shot second shot clock, number 17. Wala pa rin yan. Kuya ng team ng Bags. Number 5, Pump. Lazy Ralph, wala. Joe Paman. Ay naman. Number 11, let's down. Intercepted and fire, kasi wala pa rin. Number 91, looking for receiver. Number 20, binigay pass. Brioso. Aamba sa 3, wala. Kuya number 27, binigay pass. Joe Paman, Lansang. Stop, step back. Babalik ang bola kami sa Lansang. May napasabi. Kaya committed to number 15. First personal foul, yung second team foul. First try pasok para kay Mr. Lansang. Second try pasok pa kanyan. Score natin 33-16. Number 20, looking for a screen. Nakawala sa depensa. Good for Tio. Number 7. Lansang. Nakitawan ba sa same ball? Nasundutan yan. Mr. Joe Paman. 3 seconds tayo. Napasig tayo para sa team ng BLBRF. out. Number 27, Billy pass, left down. Kick up pass, jump on wide open, 3 wala. 3 ball para sa team ng Giants. Number 20. Number 20 pa rin. Inside pass, intercepted. Jump pangan, nagmamadali. Jump pangan. Extra pass, it's a rumbling. Number 91, Gaya naman pass. Number 20, natawan. Asa wala. 40 second shot clock. Number 15, wrong 3, awa. Yes, sir. Number 17, Sanchez. Babaw sa 3. Asa wala. Huwag pa rin yan. Silang BLDRS. Number 17. Wala pa rin. Jump pangan. Put back in front of you. 21, 35. Number 7. Mr. Pioso. Put back. Awa. Okay, 6-5 down. 6-5. Alejandro, Paman, nabalik ang bola kay Alejandro. Mr. Mumboy, Mark Bass. Ang gandang movement para sa team ng BLDRS. Awa, wala. Alejandro, bomb. There's a whistle. May pushing foul tayo. Kaya committed to number 22. First personal foul, 13 foul. Alejandro. Para sa wrong 3, wala. Alejandro, quick. Drive, stop. Traveling yan, sir. Number 13, Billy pass, Palayon. Palayon, 3 on the ball. 15 on the shot clock. To the center, Lazaro, long 2, Awa, is good. There's a whistle. Foul committed to number 3. First personal foul on you. Warning for penalty. Second try, wala pa rin. Pero mananatili sa BLDRS. 12 on the shot clock. Down to 10. Blue boy. Inside pass. Intercepted. Number 26. Lazaro. Not counted yan. Down number 10. Number 26, Lazaro, bounce pass. Turnover tayo. Alejandro, Pangan, to the center, to the big man. Sige pass, extra pass, keeper view. Ang gandang pagkat. Number 0, Bavier. Number 3, second shot clock. Lazaro, to Palayon. 7 on the shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Keeper 2 point. Naman. Intercepted. Pangan. Ito rin siya. Foul number 26. Mr. Lazaro. First person to foul. And a penalty. First line masuk. Second line mula na yan. 1 minute, 8 seconds. Exactly 1 minute. 12 second shot clock. Mr. Pangan, inside pass, as of display, number 6 timeout. Yeah, open sub yan, open sub.
Ready, ready. Good.
Mr. Kitale, binigay pass, number 12, long three. The 2 points coming from number 0, Mr. Baguio.
Good one.
Number 12, to Kitale. Tupangan, Pete. Babalik ang bola, Kitale, Pete. Tupangan. 10 second shot clock. Kick out pass. Number 12 na naman. James Bond. Save resume. Number 7. Wala. Mr. Jock Bangan. Lazy Ralph. Good birthday mo. 29-50. Number 0, Mr. Gambia. Binigay pass to the wing side. 10 on the shot clock. To the left wing. To the center. Flores. Wala. Wants a rebound. Doing the BLTRS. Play pass. Number 12. Good for 2 points. 29-52. Babier now. Wala pa rin. Number 5, Flores, put back. Good for 2. Kitale. Tubangan. Speed move. Kaligoy fake. Cross pass Rodriguez. Wala yan. Big rebound para sa team ng Pens. Number 20. Arriega. Sapa. Number 29, pangan out. Nesta mo, sir. Get 21 na ako, sir. Stop ba yan? Wala yan. Agawan sa bola. Amuyan ng team ng Pens. Number 7, Brioso. Binigay pass. Number 20, Arcega. To the center. Kabalik ang bola. Brioso sa 3. Bola. Pumabalik yan ang team ng Pens. Agawan sa bola. Under steal. Good pa rin. Pasa bola. Late pass. Unselfish play. Gilbert Hill. 31-54. Number 0, Babier now. Babier looking for receiver. Arcega. Inside pass. Long view. Wala yan. Good for 2 points. Second shot now, Tanedo. Naging pass sa Sega, inside pass sa ilalim. Di lang na yung convert. Number 12, Kalikoy. Number 27, Italic bounce pass, Kalikoy, Feliciano to the big man. Good for 2. Tapos si timeout. Constantino Perez. Number 15, Tanieto. There's a whistle. There's Bryce Gibb. Second try, pasok pa rin yan. Feliciano, binigay pass. Number 11, babalik ang bola kay Mr. Feliciano. Inside pass, number 17, Sanchez, no. Late pass. To number 5, stopping power, Flores, wala. Feliciano. 15-second shot clock. Number 7 on the ground. Deporting points. Number 34, Feliciano. Binigay pass. Number 34. 10-second shot clock. Number 19, take down the left. Bang! 35-61. Bababu sa left. Javier. Trio. Number 34, Feliciano, binigay pass, number 11. To the center, 8 down na naman, same spot. Sumala. Punta takang inabot. Last 45 seconds tayo, doon sa whistle. Keep ball tayo. 45 seconds. Start tayo. Number 0 out. Bounce pass, itinali pa sa area with 20 points. 40-61. Last 20 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Six seconds na, 6 seconds. Five, 4, 3. And the third quarter.
Ayoko ni man. Wala na akong magkating ko. Ayaw ko magkating ko. Hindi ka pa bawi ito kaya. Tayo ako nang tumira.
Patuturan dia pam.
Ay, our
Palayan. Brioso. Preview. Number 29, Pangan. Extra pass. Kaso wala. Napalakas. Number 3. Looking for Simi. Number 0, Babia. Binigay pass. Number 20, Ambas Tres. Masyadong malakas. Late pass. Number 24, Alejandro. Lays it out. In and out. Jok Pangan. Hesi. In for 2. 65-43. Velasquez, Job second shot block. Palayan, good for 3. Good for 2 rather.
Pasi-strike ka na ba doon? Salmento. O, hindi mo na akong nularan to. Talaga yun.
Job Pangan. Gandang pasa. Ang pangan to pangan. Connection kasi hindi lang na-convert. Sayang. Number 3. Palayan. Velasquez. Masusungutan. Late pass to Alejandro. 2 versus 1 situation. Mr. Kitali. Kinaliwa pa. In Gordillo. 67-45. Let's be ready. Palayan. Number 20. Be moved pa. In Gordillo. Good for 2 points. Second shot clock. 10 seconds.
Kilala mo yan?
Tayo tayo.
may guess game.
Lansang now. Backdoor pass. Wala. Long two, wala pa rin.
Nanonood mag-alas 8?
Game for 2 points.
Hindi.
Yung lawin net, mahaba.
Ay, no.
21-69. Isang lansang. Almost intercept. Number 51, Feliciano. Pound. Number 17. Nagharap ng papasahan. 7 on the shot clock. Number 27. It's a 3 seconds violation.
Nabangketa na.
Arcega, three pass to the wing side, Curioso sa tres. Masyadong malakas, kuya ni number 20. Three pass, number 12. Bounce pass, number 51. Kaligoy, inside pass to number 17. 10 on the shot clock. Wrong two, wala. Number 15, Pink, step back three, wala. Number 12, Kaligoy. Wala yan, nagawa sa rebound. Kuya, team ng BRS, Kaligoy. To number 11, Lansang, wala. Number 3, there's a blocking foul, number 12, Mr. Kaligoy, second personal foul, first team foul.
Gano'n ako titiyak.
Number 7 now. Number 20, Arcega, pass, number 5, Flores, wala. Kuya ng team ng BRS. Number 12, Kaligoy, napakabilis. Pinasabay na, so wala yan. Kaligoy, finish siya, walang two. So wala, there's a reason loose ball foul, number 12. Third personal foul when you second team foul sa Tara. 11 out, Lansang out. Arcega, Malagay pass. Palayon, 15 second shot clock, Flores. Long to Eastern. 53-69. Leg down, bang! 53-72. Second shot clock, down to 10. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Varsity 3, wala. Feliciano. Babalik ang bola ang Kaligoy, ang bala sa 3. Walang tinamaan pero may putback yan. Tapos may Gigi Birthday. Exactly 1 minute. $55 seconds. 50 seconds. 15-second shot clock. Lay down. In and out. Time out tayo. Sige, pasok tayo. Malapit yan. Seconds. Dahan na lang siya. Two for three. Okay, congratulations, BLTRS. Best player natin, number 12, Mr. Kaligoy. Kapitsur ka muna, Mr. Kaligoy.
Ilayo.